Hi friends, today I am going to prepare cauliflower chilli, also called as Gobi Chilli. To prepare the Gobi Chilli, I am removing the ends of cauliflower, cutting into small pieces and trimming the stems. I have kept water for boiling. To this I am adding half teaspoon salt and the cauliflower pieces. Let this cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's transfer the cauliflower to a different vessel. To this I am adding half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder and mixing well. And then adding 2 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon of corn flour followed by second round of mixing. Once done, let's set this aside for 10 minutes and meanwhile prep the capsicum and onion. I am using one capsicum, cut in half, remove seeds and cut to small pieces. For the onion, let's cut them into bulbs. And dice a small portion of it. 10 minutes have passed. I am keeping the oil for frying. Once the oil is hot enough, I am adding the cauliflower pieces. Ensure not to overcrowd. Let's fry it until it turns golden. The bubbles have reduced and the color is also changing. Let's remove the gobi. And repeat the same with the remaining pieces. Now in a pan, I have added 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 inch of finely chopped ginger and chopped onion. Fry this for few seconds and then add the prepped onion and capsicum. Fry until the onion and capsicum is cooked. Now let's add the 1/4 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1½ teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot and sweet sauce. You can also add ½ teaspoon of ketchup instead of hot and sweet sauce. Let's fry this for few seconds and add the corn flour slurry prepared from 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour. This helps with the thickening of the sauce. At this point we can check and adjust the salt and spiciness if required. The sauce is ready. Let's add the fried gobi and mix well. The tasty gobi chilli is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!